Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Is your skin getting loose? If yes, kindly note that skin sagging is a natural outcome of aging and you cannot stop it. Does this mean there is no solution? Fortunately, there are certain home remedies that can help in skin tightening in order to get rid of saggy skin. Most of the time, we believe that market products are best to treat aging skin issues. However, chemical-free solutions such as home remedies can do wonders for your skin. Before you get down to the natural cures for skin tightening, let's understand the causes of saggy skin. As we age, loss of collagen under the skin affects its firmness and it appears to be saggy. The sagging skin gives a tired and droopy look to the face. Therefore, in order to keep your skin supple, healthy, and glowing, you need to start giving it some tender loving care once you enter your 30s. You can easily use some simple homemade skin tightening face masks with ingredients readily available in your pantry to restore the firmness of skin without loading it with harmful chemicals. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a simple and effective home remedy for skin tightening. Well, let's get started. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, mix all the ingredients together and apply on your face. And don't forget to clean your face before applying any face mask. Leave it for about 20 minutes and then wipe out with a cotton or Kleenex. Do this mask before going to bed. In the morning, you can wash your face with your lotion and moisturize your face. Try it twice a week and you will get an amazing result. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.